For those of you waiting for a more or less reasonable explanation on what the fuck is on my face right now, I just filmed a Get Ready With Me Valentine's edition. So if you actually kind of want to check that out, there's a link down below. So yeah, there's that situation. Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi, your favorite beauty blogger, and today I've got all my little Valentine's last minute DIY hacks for y'all. Basically, the day of love is coming up. I'm in red, kind of matching all the Valentine's Day aesthetics. I don't have a Valentine this year. Or ever. So if you're also kind of single, not quite ready to mingle, yeah, no, I'm actually gonna have a surprise video going up on Valentine's Day for all of you guys, so you don't feel so lonely, because I kind of do. So yeah, if you want to come along, mark it in your calendars, and yeah, it's a date, I guess. However, for today's video, I wanted to kind of hop back onto my DIY journey and just kind of show you guys my favorite DIY cards for Valentine's Day. And if you don't have the perfect thing to write into your card, don't worry, I've got you hooked with all the best sayings for Valentine's cards in 2019. A very simple one, but it's also like all about honesty, which obviously is the key in every relationship that you have with whoever you are sending this card to. You're not Cole Sprouse, but I still like you. Another very trendy one that also kind of includes a celebrity crush that probably every single girl or boy, we don't discriminate, has, who watched a little bit of Netflix last year. Please be my Peter Kavinsky. We could act like a couple, and I'm sure I will convince you to like me eventually. Next thing I've got for you is once again a very simple, straight to the point one. It just says, love me. For promised success with this one, I would advise you to add a very gorgeous and like extra perfect picture of yourself to show the person you're sending it to what they are missing out on. Another one that would totally like kind of work for those people who always feel they're worse, they feel like they're not worth it, they feel like everything in life is their mistake if something goes wrong and they kind of let someone down. So this saying actually is super convincing, and I also just kind of noticed that it actually rhymes. Wow, goals. Let's make Valentine proud and go out. Something that also always works, obviously, is giving the other person a promise, teasing them a bit, you know, kind of giving them a little bit value for them kind of showing you their affection. If you take me out for fancy dinner, the table might not be the only thing getting laid tonight. Not gonna lie, the one I'm about to show you is probably the one I would use personally, because it kind of speaks to me on a whole other level. I want to post hashtag couple goals pics on Insta that aren't just me and my cat. Talking about cats, actually, for the last card I'm gonna show you today, you should use a picture of your cat. If you take me on a date, you could come back to mine afterwards and meet my pussy. So yeah, that's it for my DIY last minute Valentine's cards. I hope there was one that will work for your situation. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more of my beauty guru live. Also leave a comment down below telling me and all the other amazing people out there about your favorite Valentine's Day card saying and about your plans for Valentine's Day. As I said, I'm gonna upload a special little video on that day, so if you want to come and join in, make sure to subscribe down below, click the bell so you will be notified as soon as it's up. And meanwhile, you can check out all my other amazing social medias, and you know, maybe even send me and all the other people that might be lonely on Valentine's Day a Valentine's card in the digital form. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. Hugs and kisses. Thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay, bye! Welcome to our first date. I'm so glad you made it, and I'm just like really excited to have someone on Valentine's. Oops, I figured watching Netflix, why should I like put on a movie? We all know we're just like gonna Netflix and chill. Should we go in for like a kiss? Okay, no.